All right, guys, so we're going to work on some of the matrices problems that we did today in class. I'm just providing a video that you can watch to understand one of the methods that we talked about more in detail. So let's see. This was the worksheet that we looked at, and we were talking about how many points they're necessary to use matrices to find the equation for a parabola. And so if we go on to number 7, then we can see this in action. Um, Let us see. We know that the standard form, the standard form of a parabola is going to be y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And we can put these points into the equation to develop our matrix. So starting with the first one, y is 0. And then we have 0 for x as well. And then in our following equation, we have 47 as our y, 20 as our x, and the last one we have 88 as our y and 30 as our x. We are not sure what our coefficients are, so we'll be using matrices to find those. And they are A, B, and C. So we can kind of rewrite this as a matrix. And we can have 0A, 0B, and 1C equaling 0. So therefore we know C is 0. 20 squared. So it's actually going to be 400A plus 20B plus 1C equals 47. 900A plus 30B plus 1C equals 88. Now we can rewrite this as a matrix equation with our coefficients. In a 3x3 matrix being multiplied by our column matrix of A, B, C. Those are our variables. And then it's going to equal the answers, which are 0, 47, and 88. And we know that we have matrix A times matrix X equaling matrix B. Then we can use the inverse to solve for X. So we're going to take A inverse times B to solve for X. So at this point, I'd use the calculator. So let me see. On the calculator, I've cleared everything. I'm going to go to second inverse key. That's our matrix key. I'm going to go over to edit. Edit the first one. We're going to end up putting in, my Apple Pencil's low. We're going to put in a 3x3 matrix. And that's going to be 0, 0, 1, 400, and 20, then 1, 900, 30, and 1. And then we're going to go back to the matrix. Always second quit in the middle just because we want to be making sure we're doing it right. We're going to edit the second one as well. Put in our B matrix, which in our case was a 3x1 matrix. And it was 0, 47, and 88. So now we can actually do the multiplication. So we're going to call matrix 1 A, and we're going to take the inverse of it and multiply it by matrix B. And that should be the result for that question. Sorry, so that's going to be our A value, our B value, and our C value. Let me pull it up just to make sure I did it all correctly. So, yes, our coefficients are 0.0 right here, 58. And then the B value was 1.183. And then the C value is going to be 0. So we had that when we solve for X or our A, B, and C, we were given 0.058, 1.183, and 0. Yes. Uh-oh. So what does that mean? These are the coefficients of our quadratic equation. Or the equation of our quadratic. The equation of the parabola. Done.